In the frozen vacuum of space, 13 billion light-years from Earth, something impossible is staring back at us. The James Webb Space Telescope has peered deeper into the cosmic abyss than any instrument before it, and what it found challenges everything we thought we understood about reality. 300 objects. Too bright, too massive, too ancient. Scientists have a name for them: universe breakers. And they're not the only impossibility Webb has discovered lurking in the depths of time. Hidden among the cosmos are objects that might not be galaxies at all. They could be an entirely new class of cosmic phenomenon that's never been seen before. Black holes that existed before the first stars. Naked giants wandering alone through the void. Objects so bizarre that physicists are being forced to rewrite the fundamental laws of the universe. If you enjoy discovering the universe's darkest secrets, hit that like button, because what I'm about to show you will change how you see reality forever. Prepare yourselves. We begin. Something is terribly wrong with the early universe. In August 2025, a team of astronomers at the University of Missouri made an announcement that sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Using infrared data from the James Webb Space Telescope, they had identified 300 objects in the deepest reaches of space, objects that should not exist. The discovery happened during a routine survey of deep space. Researchers Haojing Yan and Bangjang Sun were examining Webb's infrared images, searching for the faint signatures of the universe's first galaxies. What they found instead were objects blazing with impossible brightness. These weren't the tiny, faint proto-galaxies that cosmologists expected. These were cosmic monsters, fully mature, packed with billions of stars, existing when the universe was less than 1 billion years old. The problem is time. Think of it like this. Imagine planting an oak tree seed and checking on it 3 days later to find a massive, ancient tree already standing there. That's what Webb discovered on a cosmic scale. To identify these objects, astronomers used a technique that measures cosmic distances by watching how light changes color as it travels across expanding space. These 300 objects appeared brilliantly in infrared, but vanished completely in shorter wavelengths. This told astronomers they were extraordinarily distant and impossibly bright for their age. Traditional models say galaxies should form slowly. Small structures merge over billions of years. But these 300 objects completely destroy that timeline. If even a handful turn out to be real early galaxies, cosmology has a serious problem. That's why astronomers nicknamed them universe breakers. But among these 300 objects, astronomers noticed something even stranger. Smaller, redder dots. Hundreds of them, each one too compact, too bright, too strange to be normal galaxies. For 2 years, scientists debated what these little red dots could be. Then, in September 2025, they found their answer. Between January and December 2024, an international team spent nearly 60 hours using Webb to study 4,500 distant galaxies. They discovered one object so extreme, they nicknamed it the Cliff. Its light signature was impossibly sharp. Sharper than anything stars or normal black holes could produce. The answer forced astronomers to propose an entirely new class of cosmic object: black hole stars. Imagine a supermassive black hole wrapped in an enormous envelope of dense, turbulent gas. From a distance, this entire structure would look like a single, impossibly large star, but powered not by nuclear fusion, but by matter spiraling into the black hole's gravitational death trap. As one astronomer put it, "We thought it was a tiny galaxy full of many separate stars, but it's actually, effectively, one gigantic star." Black hole stars solve multiple mysteries. They explain the compact size, the extreme brightness, the unusual light signatures, and most importantly, they might explain how supermassive black holes grew so massive, so quickly, in the early universe. But Webb discovered something even more disturbing. Deep in the early universe sits an object called Kusun, a supermassive black hole with the mass of 50 million suns, drifting through space, completely alone. It's essentially naked. No galaxy, no billions of surrounding stars, just the black hole itself. Most supermassive black holes sit at the centers of galaxies, growing together with their hosts over billions of years. Kusun breaks all those rules. What makes this truly unsettling is the timing. Kusun exists just 600 million years after the Big Bang. Traditional black hole formation requires the death of massive stars, a process that should take far longer. One Cambridge astrophysicist described it as completely off the scale. The most disturbing theory? Kusun might be a primordial black hole, created in the universe's first seconds, during violent fluctuations immediately after the Big Bang. If true, it means Kusun has been lurking in the cosmic darkness since the very beginning, waiting 13 billion years to reveal itself. And Kusun is one of hundreds of similar objects Webb has found. Hundreds of little red dots scattered throughout the early universe. Each one a potential cosmic monster that defies explanation. If primordial black holes were common in the early universe, some might still be out there today, wandering through our own galaxy, invisible and undetected. Ancient relics from the universe's violent birth that predate every star we can see. We might be living in a galaxy haunted by ancient black holes. The discoveries Webb has made paint a picture of a universe that evolved completely differently than we imagined. For decades, cosmologists believed the early universe went through a quiet period called the Dark Ages, hundreds of millions of years when no stars had formed. Eventually, gravity would slowly pull gas together to create the first stars and galaxies over billions of years. Webb has revealed that story to be wrong. The early universe was a cosmic forge. Massive structures formed quickly. Black holes appeared seemingly out of nowhere. The first billion years of cosmic history were rapid, violent, and chaotic. If supermassive black holes formed directly from the Big Bang itself, they would have had a massive head start, already weighing millions of solar masses before the first galaxies even began to form around them. In this scenario, black holes don't form at the centers of galaxies. Galaxies form around black holes. The monster comes first. Webb has also confirmed another crisis. The universe appears to be expanding at different rates depending on how you measure it. This should be impossible. Yet Webb's unprecedented precision has removed all doubt. Either there's an unknown force we don't understand, or our fundamental models of cosmology are wrong. Every time humanity has encountered phenomena we couldn't explain, we've been forced to expand our understanding. When Newton's laws couldn't explain Mercury's orbit, Einstein gave us relativity. When classical physics couldn't explain atoms, quantum mechanics was born. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmic unknown, make sure to like this video and subscribe. The universe is full of mysteries, and we've only just begun to uncover them. The cosmos is waiting.